Good evening, Yuba and Sutter community. Today, Friday, April 17, 2020, we have a total of 40 cases in Yuba Sutter, 25 cases for Sutter County and 15 cases for Yuba County. The death count remains at 3. We have 0 hospitalized patients at this time. The stay-at-home order worked and is continuing to work. I know that there is a lot of eagerness, even anxious desire to return, to open back up our society, our community fully. And it's not an if, but a when that will happen. However, when we do decide to open up, it should be a phasing-in approach to ensure the health and safety of all residents in Yuba and Sutter, in addition to ensure the health and safety of the frontline workers, the first responder, EMS responders, and healthcare personnel in the hospitals and clinics. In addition, I want to note that it should be a phasing-in process and not a 0% all the way to 100%. Finally, the 4 tenets need to be abide by. What are those? I'm going to repeat them. Social distancing, maintaining of that as much as possible, 6 feet away from another person, staying home when you're sick, practicing good hand hygiene, and then lastly, universal facial covering when you step out in public. And finally, I want to invite a very esteemed individual to join me for this video, Mr. Rick Rawson, the Chief Executive Officer for Adventist Rideout Hospital.
I'm Rick Rawson from Adventist Health and Rideout, and on behalf of the amazing professionals at Adventist Health and Rideout, I want to thank the Yuba and Sutter communities for your diligence in addressing social distancing as we face this pandemic. I believe that that's one of the reasons why our counties have seen much less prevalence than all the counties around us. And it's a huge amount of gratitude that our staff have for that. We've spent the last month preparing for a potential surge in case it did come, and we stand ready to be prepared should that happen. However, this is something we actually have a lot of control over by how we work together as a community. So on behalf of the healthcare workers who come to work each day to keep you safe and to take care of you when you're sick, I want to say thank you for following the guidelines that have been put out by the Public Health Department and for really making a difference to our community, to your family, to your neighbors. Together we can stay healthy as a community, and together we will get through this challenging situation. Thank you very much.